Everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I want to give you 12 items that sell amazing at garage sales. So hold on to your hats. Here we go. So a garage sale. Why a garage sale? This is online reselling. Why would I use a garage sale? Well, until my garage sale this year, I didn't think it was very lucrative. But yep, I earned $700 on my very own garage sale. So let's get into the top 12 things to sell on a garage sale. Number 1, gently used clothing in good condition. Everybody needs clothes, and savvy shoppers know you don't have to pay retail to look good. One of my good friends, Bethany, I always thought was dressed phenomenally, always in style. Then I was shocked to find out that she was a thrifty garage sale and thrift store shopper. So she bought all of her clothes at a garage sale. So make sure you look out for those clothing items and sell them at your garage sale. Make sure when displaying your clothes, you hang them on a rack and don't stack them on a table. It's much easier for the garage saler to be able to sort through. And also, make sure you're willing to bargain for those items you're wanting to sell and take a specific amount of money per full bag maybe. So help them bundle. A lot of garage sellers are also resellers. So think in those terms. Next up on the list, number 2 is tools. My father-in-law loves tools. He has an addiction. He actually started selling a lot of the tools from his shed that were overwhelming his space to find out that he can make really, really good money on tools. He not only likes power tools, but he loves the older vintage ones. Most tools you can sell anywhere from $2 to $5, and that adds up when you've got a multitude of them lying around the house. Number 3 is furniture. If you live in a college town, furniture always sells super fast. And just like this bookshelf, DIY projects are amazing, and people buy furniture all the time, even in rough condition, so that they can make it better. And so resellers are looking for furniture, as well as people moving into brand new apartments. So put that furniture out there, even if you think it's in rough shape. Somebody will find it their treasure. Next up, vintage dishes, glassware, and casserole dishes. Pyrex sells no matter what shape it's in, even if it does or does not have the lid. What about glassware? Nice glassware is gorgeous. Lots of people collect it, and it's horrible to ship. So selling it at your garage sale is fantastic, and you'd be surprised how much money you can get for different sets of glassware. You can find it at any thrift store, and it's a great thing to flip. Garden tools are amazing to sell. They're very, very expensive when you have to buy them from a Lowe's or a Menards, any local hardware store. And spring fever is always around the corner, whether you're using it for fall or spring. Be prepared to start up that old lawnmower and make sure that you have your garden tools out for sale and those old lawn equipment items out for sale. Garden tools is number 5, and it sells amazing at yard sales. Number 6 is shoes and handbags. You think nobody wants to buy your old shoes? Think again. People buy shoes all the time. They are looking for cute designer names, so if putting your ad in the garage sale paper, go ahead and make sure you're listing any designer names that you have. They also like very unique handbags. Now, I don't have shoes as unique as these, but if you did, they would sell like hotcakes. And of course, children's shoes, they grow so fast that they'll be buying shoes every year. And so moms and dads are always looking for a great deal. Number 7 is costume jewelry. If your jewelry box is overflowing, well, dig through that mess and put it out there. Even broken jewelry sells. There's a lot of crafters and do-it-yourself people that use old costume jewelry to make new items. So go ahead and get that costume jewelry out, put a tag on it, and sell it at your garage sale. Number 8 is bicycles, toys, and games. So make sure that you're looking through all of your items and finding your old bikes and selling them at a discounted price. Bikes are expensive. People want to spend money. And those Monopoly games, life games, even if you don't have all the pieces, people use the pieces to sell and to create crafts online. So go ahead and sell those pieces of board games and games you don't use anymore. And of course, all the old toys that your kids don't play with anymore, somebody will find those a treasure for their little one. Number 9 is books. This is how Amazon got started and made their big bucks. So that doesn't mean you can't sell them too. You have old books, they may be useless to you, but somebody will find them interesting. I usually say make sure you price them right. Under $1 is the general price, unless of course it's a high quality textbook that somebody is looking for. But books sell phenomenal, and you always have way too many of them in your house. So throw them out on the garage sale pile and sell away. Number 10 is appliances. I know you just had to have that one appliance, or somebody bought you that amazing thing at Christmas that sits in your cupboard and you never use. Sell it at your garage sale, make some money on it. So you can sell large appliances obviously at garage sales, which are perfect situation because then you don't have to ship it, or you can sell the small appliances that you just don't use enough and you need that kitchen counter space. So open up that kitchen counter space, throw your appliances out for sale at your garage sale and make some money. Number 11 is camping gear. Purchasing new camping gear is really, really expensive. You might have some that's in decent condition, but you just don't do that activity anymore. Throw it out at your garage sale, see if somebody else wants it, and make sure you include items in your pictures if it's packaged up, so it'll be easier to figure out exactly what it is at your sale. But go ahead and let people open it up, see the size of the tent, show the pictures of when you used your tent at a campsite so they can see what it looks like all opened up and put together. And last but not least, number 12, exercise equipment. You know you had to have that one piece of exercise equipment that became a laundry rack? You don't use it anymore, so sell it at your garage sale. Everybody has fitness resolutions, and in the springtime, people are still going strong, or it's getting summertime and they want to look great for summer. So throw that fitness equipment out there and make sure you sell it for a profit. I hope you've enjoyed these 12 garage sale items that sell amazing. Keep them in mind when setting up your own garage sale, and just because you're an online reseller doesn't mean that you can't also do a garage sale and make a bunch of money like I did. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.